A is used before a singular noun which begins with a consonant sound. A boy, a table, a book, a man. A is used before a word beginning with U or EU, giving the consonant sound of U, U. A university, the university U is a vowel letter, but sound is a consonant sound, so we use A. A university, a union, a European. Before a word, one begins with the consonant sound of W. O, the one O is a vowel letter, but sound is a consonant sound, so we use A. A 1 rupee note, a one man tribunal, a one eyed man, a one legged man, a once famous man, a one way road.